Hey guys, this is Sam from Prep for Success, and today we're going to go over whom versus who. So who is referring to the nominative case. So the nominative case is basically the subject of the sentence or any of these words here. Then we have whom is when there's a preposition in front, or whom is referring to the objective case. So that's just the object of the sentence or any of these words here. Keeping that in mind, let's look at number one. So we have to who or whom are you writing the letter? Well, first, before even looking at the nominative and objective case, let's see, is there a preposition in front? So in this case, we do have a preposition in front because to is a preposition. So right away, we know that whom would be our answer because whom always correlates with a preposition in front. So we don't even need to look at any of the nominative or the objective case. We know that whom is our answer, and we could cross out who. Now, number two is a little more tricky because of the fact that we don't have a preposition in front, so we do have to look at the nominative or objective case. But it's not too bad. Here we have who or whom should I vote for? So a good way to see if it's referring to a nominative or objective case is to actually rearrange the sentence in a sentence that includes one of these subjective or nominative words. Subjective or objective words. For example, we could change this sentence to I should vote for him or her. And if we notice, him or her comes from the objective case right here. So since this is the objective case, and the objective case here refers to whom, we're going to use whom within this sentence. Now, our next sentence, we have the children who or whom were extremely energetic, woke up early to watch cartoons. So again, we could rearrange this sentence in order to use a word like him, her, he, she, it, or something of those sorts. So here we could say that they, meaning the children, were energetic. And now we could see that they is coming from the subjective or nominative case. So since we have the subjective case here, and we know that the nominative or subjective case always refers to who, so therefore, who would be the correct answer in this question.